Hello everyone. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and all the ones that have been around for a while and the ones that's been following this journey with me. The name is Eric, E-R-I-C without the K. It seems like everybody in this country when they spell my name is always with a K, but it's all good. Another beautiful day, on the beginning of another beautiful day. I like to shoot my videos early in the morning sometimes so I can just get clarity and just have some good thoughts. But welcome everyone, and man, we're just doing good on this on our channel, just trying to keep it real. Now listen, today I want to talk about quickly, and I know I've been talking a lot about having a pension, but listen, I don't want you guys, because I'm one of the few that do have a pension, but I want you guys to realize that you can still come in here and achieve your dreams without a pension, because I watch and I've seen people do it. I'm an eyewitness, okay? I'm definitely an eyewitness. My first trip to Sosua, Playa Alicia, I went up there and I was hanging out at a cafe, and I met a lady, and I'm not sure she's an expat, but her daughter runs a bar, and she lives upstairs. And so I got in a conversation with her, and she told me that she came over here and she was living with her daughter. They was in a studio apartment. They made do, and she's only paying $200. So listen, don't let the money situation hinder you from coming and being an expat, because there's all kinds of ways you can get citizenship here. You might do the fast track like I'm doing, but don't let that stop you. You that have kids, as you can see the background, I'm standing in front of a bilingual school for kids, okay? And you look at this video, you can kind of zone in on it, go online, and look at it and see what fits you and your family, okay? So I'm here to tell you, man, you can achieve, because I've seen people come in here, man, and a lot of times you don't have a pension, but you got other money. You got investments, you got everything like that. Don't let that stop you from coming to the Dominican, living in the Caribbean, achieving your goals, and being what you want to be, because life's to be enjoyed, right? You only got one life. So I just wanted to say that, because I don't want to freak nobody out, and you guys thinking, okay, well, he got a pension, he's got it made. Well, you know, I still got bills too, okay? But it's not all about a pension, but it's good to have a pension. But you can come here and you can make it on scraps, because you know you got to look at where you are, and everything is doable. Okay, I've seen people here again, $400, nice apartment, nice place, nice area, safe, secure, and when your rent is only that cheap, you got wiggle room for your other money. You know, pay your little utilities, cell phone bills are cheap, water bill is cheap. Keep everything down to a minimum, and you're good to go. Okay. Everything's different here, but it's doable. So I just don't want to discourage nobody, and just because you don't have, you know, steady income, you got money coming in, you got money saved up, you can come in here, this country, and you can make it happen, and you can live your best life. And that's what it's about, living your best life. And I'm thinking that even if I didn't have a pension, I still would have found a way to come here and just do what I had been dreaming, hoping to do. And just live a good life, a peaceful life, by the ocean breeze, every morning going for walks, and I'm just enjoying life without being robbed, without Uncle Sam digging in my pocket every single day of the year, because after a while you get tired of that, okay? And the struggle is real. You guys know, you guys are still, some of you still on your job, you on the grind every single day. The hustle is real. Keep doing what you're doing, keep your head up, keep your focus. Because you can achieve the dream, the goals that you're striving for. And like I said, again, there's a lot of areas that you can live in this country. You can just take your choice. You can probably go to areas that I haven't even been. And like I said, I basically covered the island from north to south to east, but I haven't been in the west, because further west you go, the more closer you get to Haiti. And right now, I'm not interested, you know, in that area right now. But I want you guys to see what I see, and this neighborhood is awesome. This neighborhood is peaceful. People are up walking, enjoying their day, walking their dogs, and this is actually the day after Easter. So I hope everybody had a good Easter and had some good family time. But now it's back to work, back on the grind, and back to do what you normally do every single day. Okay, keeping your head up, staying focused, staying out of other people's business, let them do them, and you just go ahead and achieve what you're trying to achieve, and that's what it's all about. Okay, so again, I'm gonna let you guys know. You don't have to have a big fat pension, as long as you got some steady income, because I told you, I've seen people come here and live the back life on a fixed income. You hear what I'm saying? I'm talking about a fixed income. A lot of you that's been following this channel, you're not living in the matrix, but you're living in other countries. A lot of you that subscribe to this channel live in other places. And I'm telling you something, your money can go a lot further than where you're at, whether you're in India, whether you're in Belgium, wherever you are. This is a beautiful tropical island. There's so much to see. There's surfing competitions in certain places on this island. There's Cabrera and Samana and other places on this island. Puerto Plata, Punta Cana, Santo Domingo, Playa Alicia. So if you want to live there, and just a lot of places that you can actually settle down. So again, don't let just because you don't have a fact, and I want to stress that on this video, because I know I talk about pension a lot, and I'm happy to have it because I work for it, disrespected just to get it, but here I am, I made it, and and a lot of you guys probably been disrespected on your job, disrespected by some of your peers, talked about, laughed about, telling what you can't do, and you're not going to achieve this, but you can achieve everything you can. You put your best foot forward, you can do all things through Christ. Put your best foot forward, stay focused, keep your mind, out of the gutter. Don't get revenge on nobody. Vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. Everybody that dog you out, they're gonna get what they've got coming to them, because what goes around comes around. Karma is no joke. So I just wanted to stress that this morning. Put your money together, save your money. And I always tell my peeps at work, always save your money. Think about what you're gonna do the next day, because what's here today could be gone tomorrow. Pensions come, pensions go. People come, people go. And I just want you guys to be assured that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. If you put your mind to it, if you stay focused, and you just do the right thing, and you just enjoy life, because life is to be enjoyed. As you see in my background, I'm in a park right across the street from my house. People are walking. People are enjoying the day. They're out and about. You can see there's no gunshots. There's no lot of noise. Just people are walking around, enjoying their life, because life is to be enjoyed. And sometimes, you know what, the certain areas, sometimes you have to pay more to be in certain areas. I get some people on my channel that say, well, $700 is a whole lot of money. Well, you know what, it ain't you, it's me. And I'm happy where I'm at, and I'll pay that money as long as I have to pay it. Because after a while, I'm gonna have my own place, I don't have to pay nothing. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm saving, because I tell you what, when I was in the Matrix and I was making $4,000 a month, okay, $4,000 a month, and 3,500 of it was getting just thrown away, $3,200 some dollars. Then I had a car payment, all this kind of stuff. I mean, we did the bill breakdown for you. So, the matrix is real, man. I mean, you just count your money up and see what you can save, what you can't save. Everything is going up now. Ain't nothing going down. Everything, groceries going up, car insurance going up. If somebody have an accident in your neighborhood with a Honda Accord, now they're gonna go up and raise your insurance. Okay, they're gonna raise your insurance, because this fool down the street that don't know how to drive, and then they're gonna raise your insurance and say, well, he got a Honda, we're gonna raise everybody's Honda insurance, and it's crazy. So you get on the phone, your nerves is bad, you worked all day, you gotta keep bargaining with these people, bargaining, and they're steady trying to find ways to get more money out of your pocket, okay? So you gotta consider that too, because like I said, this country is, like I said, I haven't had no issues, I ain't trying to have no issues, and I'm glad I got some people on the channel that got my back. Say if I need anything, give them a shout, and that's what it's about. That's what community is all about, looking out for one another. They ain't just my foe no more, okay? I'd like to welcome all the females to the channel, and I hope you guys and gals are putting your ducks together, put your money together. And females, you can come out here by yourself if you like. You don't have to depend on no brother, but if you want to bring a boyfriend or a husband, whatever, you could bring them, okay? Because where there's unity, there's strength. Okay, but if you want to come do it yourself, you save your money, you come be your own person, because you can be who you want to be in this world. You ain't got to depend on nobody, okay? I depend on God, because I know I can't do nothing without him, especially with this job that I just completed almost 30 years. Okay, I could not have made it through this job when I know that people hated my guts, and they're just waiting in the back room talking about me before I even got there the next day. You know, put me on harbor routes, big routes, monster routes, want me to run through it, kill somebody, tear up something. You know, it's just a lot of foolishness that you got to put up with working for corporations and people, attitudes and perspectives, you know, and some people forget where they came from. You know, some of these supervisors and people, they forget they used to be on the truck like me. You know, when they go in the back office, they forget where they came from. You know why? Because they're trying to please people pleasers. I don't play that. I'm going to be one man. That's who I am. If anybody I'm pleasing, I'm pleasing God. That's it. Because if God before you, who could be against you? That's what I'm going to please. So anyway, yeah, you guys can achieve what you want to achieve. You guys can come here. You guys can come here on scraps, because scraps here is considered hundreds in this country. I'm telling you. $200, some people got places for $300, some people got places for $400, $600, whatever you like, okay? And nice places, swimming pool, the whole 9 yards. So, as long as you got money and you can get that green card, okay? And if it's gonna take you a while to save up, get your citizenship and all that going, then let it take a while, okay? You're good to go anyway, because you come in and be here for 10 years, you're gonna get that citizenship anyway, all right? They're gonna consider you part of the landscape. So in the meantime, I just want to holler at you guys, let you guys know you can achieve your dreams. So nobody tell you what you can't do. Stay focused, work your business, handle your business, put your money away. Even if you ain't got a lot to put something away, okay? And get your ducks in order so you guys get here, you can live a good life. And don't go into debt trying to ship. I want to say this before I get off the air. Don't go into debt trying to ship everything you got, okay? And I'm gonna tell you about the shipping stuff when my episode is over. I'm still waiting for my stuff to get here, and I'm just burnt up. I'm hot, but it'll get here, and I'm gonna walk you guys through that piece, let you know. Because sometimes it's better just to ship it, just put it in the P.O. box and ship it yourself. And I'm gonna give you guys that piece too, but that's a total different piece. Mail here is like 2 or 3 weeks just to get a letter, and I have to go to the middle of town just to send out one little letter. So if it's an important letter, you don't want to send where they buy us, because they go to your mail. Sometimes you get your mail. Don't send checks. Wire everything, or just you know, and I'm gonna show you how to set that up, because there's a company in Miami, a friend of mine, one of my subscribers sent me the information. I'm gonna send it to you guys first chance I get when I get settled, so you guys can use that that address, send your stuff there, then it'll get to you here, and you just pay, you know, you just pay a little small you know, shipping charges. You want to get stuff on Amazon, stuff like that, and you can take care of your business. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful day. I just wanted to holler at you guys, let you know. Like I said, it's about the pension, but it ain't all about the pension. You still can come. Because like I said, your money will go a lot further in this country than anywhere I've ever been, you know. And the other places, you know, these even cheaper than this, like Colombia, Medellin, and other places. I mean, this really, really super cheap. So we'll get with you as we journey through life. Remember, like I always tell you guys, life is to be enjoyed. Handle your business. Sometimes you got to bridle your tongue when wicked is before you. People like to talk a lot of smack, because they don't want you to achieve. They don't want to see you successful. They just want to hate on you all day long. But don't worry about it. If I can do it, you can do it. So guys, hang tough. One love, peace, and remember, life is to be enjoyed. Continue to hit that subscribe button. Don't just look at it and don't hit no buttons. Hit that subscribe button so we can just do big things, because we're doing it for you and us, but also we're doing it for you. And just share the channel on social media. In the meantime, peace.